Hello from Sergio. This is a very short tutorial that I'm going to show you that you can start in Bitnest with just $1. I remember you that Bitnest is a true ecosystem that has been working since 2 years and 3 months, so it's been paying since 2 years, 3 months no stop. And now I'm going to show you that you have no more excuses, that you can even test the system and with just $1. Okay, I'm going to put the glasses on. I'm going to read you a very short disclaimer. Okay, before I begin, a quick note: everything I share in this video is for informational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. It is based on my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it is important to stay informed. Always do your research before making any decision, okay? So if you don't know Bitnest, this is not a presentation. You can join my YouTube channel. You will have some video in English, some video in Italian. Of course, in English, you got the presentation, the certification, the insurance. Can you imagine that this smart contract has an insurance on top of all the security of your funds? Okay. So, for example, this video, okay, you will see I invest $10,000, and you got my link to sign up. Okay. Of course, you must have a look at the presentation. You can contact me on Telegram if you got Telegram, or you can contact me on Facebook. Of course, before you send me a friend request and a message, after you saw the video, for any assistance, sorry, any question you have, you can contact me, ask me, how this is work or whatever. Okay, let's go straight. I'm gonna show you how can you test the system with just $1. So you got no more excuses. Okay, so the smart contract work with a decentralized wallet. What does it mean? That only you and you only have the control. You don't give the money to anyone. You put the money inside the blockchain. I have done already some other videos to show you how they make profit in PancakeSwap and with other things. And then at the end of the period, you get your money, your USDT plus the profit. Okay. So today I'm going to show you how you can test the water $1. So you cannot tell me you haven't got $1. You must have got $1. So this is a wallet. I got $1,033. You have to connect your wallet. Okay. Let's gonna look if it's connect right. I'm gonna click on loop. Okay, just a second, refresh. Okay, it's connected. So we can test it for 1 day. Let's put $1. Okay, 1 day gives you 0.4%. Okay, 7 days give you 4%. 14 days gives you 9.5%. 20 days gives you 24%. Okay, of course with $1 you don't get $500. Okay, but you will test and you will see the system works. So you don't need $1,000 or $100,000 to start. You can test it with $1. So let's do a test with 7 days. Okay, so I will get back $1.04. I click on circulation. Okay, the wallet opens. You have to confirm. Just a second. You see the system works here. We let the system work. Just a second. I'm gonna close the station here. Okay, let's go down. Refresh. Just a second. Refresh the page. Just a second. Okay. $1. You see what I have done? Another example for my audience, Italian audience. You see, after 6 days and 23, because I choose to do 7 days. If you want to do 1 day, you try 1 day, okay? This automatically will go to my my wallet, okay? I already done other videos that I show live that your liquidity plus the profit comes automatically to your wallet. You can be at the sea, at the mountain, do some errands with your daughter, with your son, with your wife, or whatever. This all comes automatically. So you don't have to work on this system, okay? Everything does for you automatically. So you want to test the water, you can test the water with $1 and you will see how it works. And then after you documented yourself with certification, insurance of your fund and everything that works transparent, then you will decide whatever you want to do, okay? Remember that join my YouTube channel, click on the bell because every time I do a new video you will be notified. I got many in English and some in Italian, so you get informed, okay? So this is my link to join DGQEA. Of course, underneath any video there is a link to join, okay? So if you want to contact me after you saw the video, you got some question or whatever, you must have a question, okay? You can contact me. I'll be happy to help you, okay? Bye for now. Have a lovely